There are some tasks which are vital as well as mandatory. They're called high value tasks. These are tasks that contribute the most value to your career or business. These should be done every day. Here's a list of activities I have created for myself. I've categorized them by product and distribution. Here's a list of product related activities. Conduct a training session with a corporate client. Create a course video or podcast teaching something. Attend a training session in which I learn something new. Create a training session outline for a session that is coming up in a month or so. Write a story complete with moral and case studies to be used in a session. Create an activity including debriefing ideas to be used in a session. Learn a new technical skill or tool that will help do training sessions better. Work on my voice and charisma. Work on the code for my software product Dexter.io. Here's a list of activities I have done for distribution. Check in and have a conversation with an existing client for 30 minutes or more. Talk to a new lead or prospect that might become a client in a few months. Write a blog post or email, or record and post a video or podcast. Connect two of my friends to each other with no expectations of any return. Attend a conference or seminar and make a new professional acquaintance. Follow up with a prospect to whom I have sent a proposal but got no reply. Make a LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook post. Talk to an old colleague and catch up about how the old gang is doing. Reply to someone who sends amazing emails daily and say something nice and encouraging. Now that you have seen the list, here's what you do about it. Make your own lists. Use mine for reference if needed. Pick 2 items from each of your lists and make sure you do those 4 activities every day. I've been doing it for years now. It's not easy, but it is doable with some effort. Also, it becomes easier with time. If you can't do 2 from each category every day, at least do 1 from each category, product and distribution. That's it. That is the secret of successful people. It may seem like they're doing dozens of unconnected things. No matter what else they do, they're all ensuring that high value tasks are done every single day. Make up your mind. Start today. Don't go to bed until you've done your high value tasks for the day. Want some help with finding your list? Leave a comment and I'll see if I can help you.